Maybe you're looking at your bank account right now, feeling that heavy, suffocating pit in your stomach. You know the feeling, the one where you're staring at a screen, counting days until the next paycheck, wondering how a few numbers on a screen managed to steal your peace of mind. I've been exactly where you are, breathing in that quiet panic. But I want you to take a deep breath with me right now. Let it out. This moment, it is not your forever. It's just a chapter. And today, we're going to rewrite how it ends.
When you are completely broke, the world tells you to panic. It tells you to hustle harder, work 20 hours a day, or feel guilty for every single mistake you've ever made. But let's be real. Guilt doesn't pay the rent. Panic doesn't clear the balance. What you need right now isn't a lecture. You need a shield. Because at the end of the day, wealth isn't what you earn, it's what you keep. Let's take a closer look at how we fix this together, starting with 3 non-negotiable financial rules that will catch you right now, stop the bleeding, and build a foundation that nobody can tear down. Rule number 1. Rule number 1 is all about building your fortress. We call it the 4 walls. When money is desperately tight, debt collectors, credit card companies, and old subscriptions will try to claw their way to the front of the line. They will scream the loudest, but you are going to ignore them for a second. From this moment on, your money only goes to 4 things: food, utilities, shelter, and transportation. That's it. If a bill doesn't keep food on your table, the lights on in your room, a roof over your head, or your car running so you can get to work, it waits. You have to feed your family and protect your peace before you can fight the system outside. Let the credit card companies call. Your fortress comes first. Rule number 2. Rule number 2. We invoke the cash flow freeze. When you're drowning, you don't try to save your clothes. You swim to the surface. Right now, your financial life is leaking water. We need to stop the bleeding completely. You know those tiny automatic subscriptions, the casual convenience purchases, the "I'll handle it later" expenses? Cancel them all. Freeze everything that isn't connected to your survival. This isn't about depriving yourself forever. It's about reclaiming your power. Every single dollar you save by freezing the extras is an extra bullet you get to use in this fight. We are gathering every bit of loose cash flow to build your emergency buffer, because a small stack of cash is the only thing standing between you and another financial emergency. Rule number 3. Finally, rule number 3. Once the walls are safe and the leaks are stopped, we deploy the debt avalanche. You can't build an empire if your foundation is bleeding interest. You might have 3, 4, or 5 different places asking for money. Stop scattering your energy trying to please everyone. We use aggressive math. You are going to list your debts from the highest interest rate to the lowest. You pay the absolute bare minimum on everything else to keep them quiet, and you throw every spare dollar from your cash freeze right at the throat of that highest interest debt. When that first debt dies, you don't celebrate by spending. You take that entire monthly payment and roll it directly into the next one. That's how you break the chains. And once the debt is gone, that exact same money gets redirected into index funds to build real, lasting wealth. You are not defined by a temporary balance on a banking app. You are defined by your resilience. Audit your accounts tonight. Build your 4 walls. Freeze the leaks. You have the blueprint now, and you are entirely capable of executing it. If you're ready to take control and master the wealth game, hit that subscribe button. Let's walk this path to financial success together.